like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a couple.
Welcome to Copper opening day. Holy moly, there's a line here, guys. This is going to be nuts. We're going to go up, see what we're going to experience. I don't know if this is going to be a long day on the mountain. I think it's going to be a long line day on the mountain. I'm anticipating 40 minutes here, so enough talking. Let's get through this line. Taking like 45 minutes. Here we go. At least when we ride the chairlift, we're gonna get some sick chairlift shots for you guys. That's a sick sticker you got.
Good job.
What up, buddy? To the top.
What up, dude?
You just hit me in the face.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry.
It's
Dude,
good,
it's so good to find you.
Dude, it's nice to meet you, man. I'll see you all season long. What's your name?
Alex.
Nice to meet you, dude. We got a DJ going, but we can't play their music, so we're gonna play our music.
Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I been counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Shorty's had chain when the money came. Money bang here, I'm getting money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you here, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I'll be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I been counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down.
All right, run number 1 down. I forgot to turn my mic on, so there's no audio, so I couldn't talk to you guys that whole run. I also had a minor surgery, something really small. So your boy can't jump for a couple days, and so I just kind of did some turns, but it's super hard packed, super hard snow. Dude, the line just opened up out of nowhere. So the runs are not like the sick thing to do. So we're gonna go into the park, but once again, I'm not jumping, so I'm not gonna be hitting any features. So Team Hawkhouse is gonna have to carry the day.
Oh boy.
Let's go. So they did just open up this second chairlift. Which one is this one? The accelerator. So we'll go up to the very top today at some point, but for now, the boys want to hit the park. So we're gonna go get a little hike session in with 300 kids and a couple rails. So the Copper Park is a hike park, so you gotta like literally walk up into it. So the park is sick. You got 3 tubes on the right that all funnel to this like mega feature down here in the bottom. There's a tube with a creeper on the side of it. Super cool rail. In the middle, you have down tube to a waterfall tube with a down rail to a down rail. And then on the far left, you got yourself 3 boxes. Yeah.
Buckhouse, dude.
What's up?
Good to see you.
What's your name?
Kenny.
Kenny, nice to meet you, dude. Good. How's your day going?
Pretty good, dude. It's sick out here.
It's sick out here.
Such a nice day.
Yeah, dude. I wish I could be ripping. Oh!
Baby girl, love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the
We got Chris dropping in with the mustache. Oh, son. Don't be afraid to land and then ride and then turn out. You don't have to land and then immediately stop because of the next feature. Let's go. We got Cody dropping in, the man behind the camera, normally. Oh, son. Oh, Cody, you gotta give me some time. Hey, babe. Not great. Yeah, I'm not jumping or anything. I'm not even hitting any features as much as I want to. There we go. Clean press to the. Oh, we're just zooming in hardcore right now. Cody with the line. Oh, almost had the line. For the video.
It was totally worth it. It feels great, actually.
It actually was a really impressive snow angel.
Look at that.
Wow.
Put that on a Hallmark card.
You are an angel. Ooh, with the pan touch. Oh, I missed it. So I just got a bunch of stills of the park. I don't know where I threw that in the edit, but it's always nice to get some stills. But I really did it to do a park preview on my TikTok. If you guys didn't know, the TikTok is absolutely blowing up. So you should check out the TikTok and check out the Instagram, because that's where this bonus extra content's going. Content that's not showing up on YouTube. What up, guys?
How you doing?
Good. How are you guys? How's the day?
Been good.
You guys sending it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Repping. I just got a phone call from our boy Cody, who said he's gonna send it to the moon. So over the rainbow to the wall. I don't know where I'm going with this. Here comes Cody. Hey! Oh, people! Park is a little dangerous, guys. We're gonna get out of here and we're gonna go to the top. And then we'll do a whole top to bottom for you guys.
Hey, what's up,
How you doing, buddy?
I'm well, man. How are you?
Good, good.
Dude, I pulled on the side. Your videos are awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate
I've
it.
watched, I think, literally every single one of them.
Let's go!
So,
every video, that's
yeah,
insane. I do feel bad that I wasn't able to rip the park for you guys today, but it looks pretty firm and obviously it's super crowded. So I'm not super bummed, but subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be in here. We're gonna rip parks. I'll be good to go in like 2 days to start jumping again. And I should be 100% by the end of the week. Yeah, awesome meeting you, man. Keep sending it. I'll see you all season. All right, to the top. I'm so like, I want to hit the boxes so bad. I don't think I've ever come into a park and not hitting anything.
You want to just do something real quick? You want to just
Get out of here with that.
just do something real quick?
I thought about it. Like, it's the single thump.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just spit on you.
I want to get one more hit on the rainbow. I'm gonna do a Michael Jackson.
All right.
Oh, yes.
He's calling
Yes.
it Mikey. All right, we'll get Cody's Mikey and then we'll
All
head,
right.
head up the lift.
Cody's Michael.
Yeah. All right, Cody dropping in, claiming a Michael Jackson. One shot to hit it. Is he actually gonna get it? Oh, dude, that was sick. I saw that press.
I tried.
I saw it. All right, to the lift line.
That thing is sick. What?
So that line wasn't that terrible, which is super nice. It is one of those things where early season you're going to be waiting in lines, which is kind of a bummer. But you know what's not a bummer? Today's sticker shout out. We got Roland Cerny with the white Evolution sticker on the back of the helmet and an Evolution hat, which is actually not the Evolution hat, just the snowboarder on the hat. That is an option. As well as we got Amanda Peaches with the paint splatter sticker on the helmet, looking insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag it, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys here and sticker shout outs, and just know anytime you snag the merch, you're supporting the channel. It's how I do this for a living, as well as it's how we fund all of our traveling. And so I hope this run that we're above right now is open, because it looks really good. So, because that's what we're gonna ride. Dude, I see people taking fresh turns. Sorry, I distracted the plug, but to the top, here we go. Oh wait, we gotta take photos. Photos. So these windbreakers are going to be available, so we got to take some photos for the listing. So we're going to head up here real quick and take some photos. Hey, nice sticker. What's your name? I have it in photo right now. Should we put it in portrait, you think? I've never been much of a modeler.
Oh, I gotta get way back with this thing.
I'd say just get like
Yeah, they're up.
my head.
Work it. Let's get some attitude. Give me a tiger.
Dude, the working it ones. Now we gotta change the jacket, which is kind of cool up here. I'm not
Oh, wait.
excited about that.
Let's get a quick video.
Okay, so this is the other jacket that's coming out on Black Friday. It's the blue with the gold. You guys have seen this in a couple of videos with the Keep Evolving in the back. Collared jacket. The black one has a hood, so it's like 2 different styles of windbreaker on top of 2 different colorways. So I'm really stoked on these guys. So once again, Black Friday, limited quantity. So if you do want one, make sure you show up and snag it just like the goggles were, because I can't have unlimited quantities, guys. All right, we gotta take the photos for this jacket now.
Work it, spin around, bite your finger, growl. I think I missed the finger bite, but the...
And the conditions from today so far have been icy, so we're gonna keep it slow. It's hard packed. We're gonna have some fun though. Try and get down this without dying. I don't even think you can turn here. You just got to kind of float your way down. You got some moguls though. I'd like to go around, but I don't even think that's possible. All right, so I was filming my top to bottom run that posted. You know, I always post those top to bottom runs. That ski racer guy died. Oh my goodness! And then that was hectic and crazy and busy, and I'm happy we're done riding. I'm sad that, once again, guys, I'm sorry I couldn't do any the cool tricks that I normally do, the jumping and spinning and stuff. That's coming back, don't worry. So if you're new to the channel and you're like, oh, this guy doesn't really rip, you definitely should check out this video right here. I don't even know which one I picked, but check it out because it's a ton of fun content. That guy threw me off. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for surviving copper with us today and bearing with this video. It wasn't an ideal normal vlog of ours, but as always, thank you so much for spreading with me today. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Did you guys see that ski racer die?
Yeah. Wait, yes, what? Yes, and it's gonna be on the video when he flew. He was fine, by the way. I asked him, he was fine, but the noise he made was bone chilling. Bone chilling.